Subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest updates and notifications from the Indian Express.
Nubia X, a dual-display smartphone by the company, was showcased at the Mobile World Congress 2019. The phone has two touchscreens, one on the front and one at the back, no notch, and a 3D glass back design. It gets two fingerprint sensors, placed on either side of the device. It does not have a selfie camera, but two rear cameras. They can also be used to capture selfies. To use the secondary display, flip the phone and press the power button.